Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Windows Tips. So in this video we are going to explore another application on our YouTube channel. So today's application is referred as Filmora9. So this app is used and it is popularly used globally for video editing purpose. As we know, there's a lot of stuff regarding the video editing contents and all other the creative stuffs that we see in today's world are designed on any kind of framework. So for this purpose we are making these videos. So before starting the video, I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from our YouTube channel. So let's get started. So we have a number of video editing softwares, video editing machines that are used for video editing purposes. So every software has its own functionality and its own usage, but the thing is that we have to use that software that is system supported, as well as it contains all those features or minimum all the features that are being demanded by our client if we are working as freelancer if we are working as an individual, or if we are working for an organization, or if we have our own organization. So the software we are going to use is Filmora9 by Wondershare. So you can download the software from their official site. Let me show you that how can you go for the download. So this is referred as Filmora9. The software they provide initially will be a trial version. It is not a full version. It will work for 30 days, or it might not work for 30 days, but whenever you render or whenever you export a video or render a video, it will show a Wondershare, the company's official watermark on every video. So there's a kind of awkward situation. So all you need is to download a cracked version of it from any YouTube video you can look for, and you can download the cracked version. So let's get started. I have already downloaded the Filmora9 cracked, and let me show you the interface of Filmora9. So this is how it's look like, and from here you can import the media you want, and it also has its own library. This is the audio library. If you don't have your own audio, so you can use the predefined audio for this purpose. You can also go for the tiles, and these are the headers, openers, custom, lower thirds, subtitles, and credits. And this one is the pack that you have to download from the third party source, or you can also purchase it. But except this one, all the features are enabled and all the features are predefined in the cracked version. These are transitions, effects. So let us go with titles and let's see how the thing works. If I want to create this one, I will only click this one, so it will edit on a timeline, and you will see that how the thing works. You can replace the text, and here you can put any website link, any URL, and after that you can go with the styles and whatever you want. I will select this one. Okay, good to go. After that you can go with the openers. This is the example at how you can use the things. You can also use the transitions for the speed blur is commonly used as it is used in Adobe Premiere 2. So you can adjust the speed blur according to your requirement, and you can also add the elements. As it is cracked version, every element in it is open, and there is not kind of any restriction. All the things are paid in this version. So if you want any kind of element, you can go for it on the new timeline. So as you can see, and you can also add the audio let's suppose I want to add this audio, so I will add this. Okay, so that's how the thing works, and this is referred as Filmora9. So you can add the audio where you want. So after the completion, you can go for the export, and you can export according to your requirement. So that's all from today's video. This is very commonly used software. It is referred as Filmora9, and it is best for editing because it doesn't demand a lot of RAM. It doesn't consume a lot of RAM. It doesn't demand a high graphic card. So hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, please share our video and do comment in the comment section, and do subscribe our YouTube channel, and do press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from our YouTube channel.